So, I am a Delulu believer. So, I'm going to ask Lizelle over here. Okay lang yun. Yun nga yung maganda dun eh. Hindi ka prepared kasi kung ano yung masasabi mo, yun na yun. So, speaking of Delulu, right now in your life, in your stage of life, I know you have everything that you want. You are content. But I know there's so much more. And usually, okay, the people that I talk to really are happy with their lives. But they want to grow. They want to, I guess, also to give back as well. So, Lizelle over here is the perfect example of that. So, I want to ask her, like, what else are you deluluing about?
Dream ko to scale more, yung
Okay.
business-wise.
Okay.
So I can travel more. Like the freedom,
Yeah.
time. And alam mo to, Kimi, gusto
Yes.
ko mag-career ng foundation.
I mean, ano yung gagawin sa ng foundation?
I don't know the specifics yet. Pero syempre, for the kids, for the homeless,
Okay.
for women, livelihood, something like
Uh-uh.
that. Yeah. So ganun. Ang totoong dream ko, maging trophy wife.
Gusto ko din yun. Pwede ba yun? Ganito na lang. Dream for me. Ano yung gusto mong husband for me? Sige,
Yes,
sige.
yes,
Gusto ko
yes.
yan. Ito na yung next series ko.
Sige,
What kind of
we
husband do you want for me?
dream for Kimi to find someone who deserves her.
Paano naman?
Sandali, ito naman serious eh.
Serious ako.
I-edit mo yung maayos Because Kimi is such a great blessing to all of us. Like seriously, she's helped a lot of us. Akala namin nakita niya na last year. Ikat mo
Siya.
But yeah, someone who will make her very happy just the way she is. Yeah. And mayaman.
And mayaman.
Kasama yun sa checklist
Sana
namin ni Kimi.
Pwedeng mayaman pero pwedeng kurips. Hindi pwede yun.
Hindi pwede. Someone
Kailangan generous.
who will make you happy. Magiging happy ka ba sa
Hindi ako
kuripot?
magiging happy.
Exactly. Someone, who will always make you happy and make life easy for you.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Ganun yung mga husband goals.
Husband goals.
Hinihingal ako sa lakad na.
Ba't hinihingal? Dahan lang kasi.
Go.
Ayan, ganyan yung husband goals.
Yes. Someone who will make you happy and make life easy for you.
Huwag yung papahirapan ako.
Yeah. Huwag kang pag-a-adjustin. Hugot.
Different concept.
Sige. Gusto ko yan. Thank you so much.